Move the egg image to the main document by selecting Move tool. Now tap Ctrl T to show Free Transform tool and use it to resize and rotate the egg and make it the size of the upper part of his head. You can right click on Free Transform tool and choose Warp tool to deform the egg. Select extra part of the head and tap Ctrl J to duplicate the background layer and tap Delete on keyboard. Select Bucket tool from toolbar and fill the empty part of the background. You can tap Alt key in keyboard to select the color you need from background. Then use Patch tool to make the pattern of the color right. Or you can use Brush tool. Now unhide the egg layer and select and delete extra parts. You can hold Shift key to add to your selection and Alt key to subtract from it. And that's all. Now don't forget to subscribe my channel and like this video if you liked it. Thanks for watching.